Making the next 10, day 5, 2-digit plus 2-digit. Get your whiteboard or your paper and let's work. I have a picture showing you what 16 plus 19 looks like on a math rack. Notice this is our 16. This is our 19. We're going to add them together to get the final answer. Notice when I have a 16 here, you will see that this group of 4 wants to be with that group of 6 because that's its partner. So that's the first thing I'm going to add to the 16. 16 plus 4 equals 20. The next thing that we want to add is that 10 that's right there. So we put plus 10. And the last thing we want to add are the leftover ones from the 9, which is 5. So 20 plus 10 equals 30, plus 5 equals 35. Let's look at another picture. Now I have a picture of 28 plus 23. You can see that this 28 wants, the first thing it wants is that rest of the 2 because that's its partner. So we're going to get that 2 right there. And when I add 28 plus 2, that equals 30. Then you can see that I have 20 right there. So that's my 20. And then the very last thing that we will add is the 1. So 30 plus 20 is 50, plus 1 is 51. Great job. Now let's do it without the picture. All right, so 35, I'm looking at the 5. 5 wants its partner. So 5's partner is 5. It gets the 5 from the 9. So if I take a 9 and I take 5 away, I have a 4 left over. And then we haven't touched the 20, so we bring it all the way down and just put a 20 there. So 35 plus 5 equals 40. And we're just going to go around and pick everything up. So there's the 40. Now we'll add the 20 and add the 4. That way we make sure we have all the numbers. 40 plus 20 is 60, plus 4 is 64. Let's try another one. 55 plus 37. The 5, again, is looking for its partner. Its partner is always 5, so that 5 comes from the 1s. Now a 7, with the 5 gone, we'll have a 2 left over. We didn't touch that 30, so we're just going to bring that 30 all the way down. 55 plus 5 equals 60, so we've used that number. We now need to add the 30, and then we need to add the 2. 60 plus 30 is 90, plus 2 is 92. The great thing about break-aparts is the first thing we do is get to the next 10 so that we have 10s, and then it makes it easy if we add more 10s to it, and then at the very end we add the 1s. All right, 38. That 8 wants its partner, so its partner is 2. The 2 comes from the 4, leaving 2 left. We didn't touch the 30, so we bring the 30 straight down. Now, 34 has been broken into a 2, a 30, and a 2. So we're just going to pick up all the break-apart pieces. 38 plus 2 is 40, and we know that because we picked the 2, so it would be the next 10. Now I'm going to add the 30 and then add the 2. 40 plus 30 equals 70, plus 2 is 72. All right, let's try another one. 77. It's the ones that's looking for its partner, and 7's partner is 3. So I take that 3 away from the 9, and 9 minus 3 leaves a 6. We didn't touch the 10, so I just bring it down. You always want to make sure you're calling a number what it is. It is a 10, not a 1. 77 plus 3 equals 80. Plus that 10 is 90. Plus the 6 is 96. Great job. All right. Press pause on the video and try to solve this by yourself, and then push play when you're ready. All right, let's check your work. That 8 wants its partner, which is 2. That 2 comes from the 6 and leaves a 4 there. We didn't touch the 10 at all, so we just bring it down. 58 plus 2 equals 60. Plus the 10 is 70. Plus the 4 is 74. Notice I just go around and I pick up all the numbers that I broke apart, 60, 10, and 4, for a final answer. Great job on these break aparts.